In this video we are going to install a tempered glass protector screen for the 9.2-inch Discover Pro media unit in a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. First thing you will need to do is to give it a good clean. Using some LCD screen cleaner, spray some of that onto a microfiber cloth and give the screen a good wipe down to make sure there's no greasy fingerprints or dust on it. It's best to spray that directly onto a cloth as opposed to onto the unit so you don't get any fluid in the edges of the unit. This screen had already been given a decent wipe over before we started filming, but the challenge is to make sure that we get all the fingerprints off and not leave any dust behind. Try to do this in a sunny position so that you can see the screen clearly and make sure that it is perfectly clean before applying the protector. This is the screen protector that I purchased online. It is a LFOTPP brand, Chinese of course, and was bought from Amazon Australia for $15. The pack includes some basic instructions, but the same principles apply as to other screen protectors you may have applied before, such as on your smartphone or laptop screen. This one was definitely one of the easiest screen protectors we have applied. The pack comes with an alcohol wipe and cloth, but we just used the screen cleaner that you saw earlier. It also has a little suction cap which is used to hold the protector while you position it. After taking the protector out, line it up to make sure it is the right size and shape for your unit. There are a lot of suppliers of these things around and we can't guarantee they all fit as well as this one did. We fitted the suction cap to the side where the peel was started, but in hindsight, perhaps the other side would have been better. To start the application, simply pull back the tab and start to remove the plastic layer over the adhesive side. Don't completely pull this off just yet, as you will need to do some positioning first. As you can see, we didn't get this right the first time, but you're able to lift up the edge of the screen and adjust it slightly so everything lines up okay. Once this was all in place, you can start to work any large air bubbles that were trapped under the screen. These came out quite quickly and easily. Make sure you use the cloth to do this, as there is no protective layer on top as you might find in other screen protectors, which you peel off after installation. There was one bubble on the left, which was probably caused by pulling the suction cap off too hard or too soon, which was a little difficult to get rid of, but it came out in the end. Once it was all in place, it looks great and is much more fingerprint resistant than the screen underneath. It is also just as glossy and clear and there is no loss of light transmission at all. The camera picked up a few more bubbles than we could see, but these disappeared on their own quite quickly. Thanks for watching.